Hello children, coronavirus is spreading throughout the world. Here are the simple tricks to drive the corona away. Namaste parents. Hi dear children, welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, cognitive workbook, page number 67. In page number 67, we have an activity, match the costumes that belong to the same country. Children, for this activity, let's see the material. This is China costume, USA or United States of America costume, Switzerland costume, Egypt costume, India costume, Iran costume, Australia costume, Pakistan costume, Spain costume, Vietnam costume. Let's see once again. China costume, United States of America costume, Switzerland costume, Egypt costume, India costume, Iran costume, Australia costume, Pakistan costume, Spain costume and Vietnam costume. Let's do the textbook activities. Now, match the costumes that belong to the same country. Children, you already know this is China costume. In this column, this is China costume. Match them. Next, Iran costume. In this column, this is Iran costume. Match it. Spain costume. In this column, this is Spain costume. Match them. This is USA costume. In this column, this is USA costume. Match them. Pakistan costume. Here, Pakistan costume is here. Match them. Go to next main. Trace the names of some articles of clothing. Here they have given few names of articles of clothing. Trace these words, children. Once I will read for you. Hat, pant, skirt, gown, frock, kurta. Move to next page. Page number 68. In page number 68, we have an activity, match the flags. For this activity, let's see the material. This is China flag. Japan flag. France flag. Denmark flag. India flag and Russia flag. Let's do the textbook part. Here, first China flag. In this column, China flag is here. Match it. Japan flag. Japan flag is here. Match it. France flag is here. Match it. Denmark flag is here. Match it. India flag is here. Match it. Russia flag is here. Match it. Trace the names of countries. Children, here they have given names of countries. Trace these names, children. Once I will read for you. India, USA means United States of America. Nepal, France, Egypt, Japan, China, England, Brazil. Let's move to homework part. Open cognitive practice book. In page number 50, we have an activity. Color the costumes and match with the names of the countries where they are worn. Next, here first color all these pictures with pink color only. This is Australia costume. Australia is here. Match it, children. Next, this is Egypt costume. Egypt costume is here. Match it to Egypt. Next, in the same way, Switzerland costume, India costume, and Vietnam costume. Move to next main. Trace the names of these articles of clothing. Here they have given articles of clothing. Trace these words, children. Once I will read for you. Hat, pant, skirt, gown, frock, kurta. Go to next page, page number 51. In page number 51, we have an activity. Color and match the monuments with their names. Here they have given monuments. First, color all these monuments and then match with their names. For this activity, I will show material. Taj Mahal, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Statue of Liberty, Big Ben, Christ the Redeemer. Let's do this activity with textbook. Here, first, color all these pictures with orange color. Next, this is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is here. Match it. Next, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa is here. Match it. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty is here. Big Ben. Big Ben. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer. Move to next main. Trace the names of these famous monuments. Here, Big Ben, Pyramid of Giza, Taj Mahal, Statue of Liberty, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Trace these words, children. Dear parents, help your children to complete these activities. Thank you.